Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to hide Snapchat story. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Snapchat application. At the homepage of Snapchat, you need to tap on the profile icon on top left of your screen. Here you can see the option of add to my story. Beside of it, there you can see three dotted horizontal line. You tap on it. Here you can see the option of story settings. You tap on it. Who can view my story? There you will have three options, that is everyone, friends only and custom. If you tap on everyone on your Snapchat will be able to view your Snapchat story. If you tap on friends only your friends that you have added will be able to view your Snapchat story. If you tap on custom, you can select from your friend list to whom you want to view your Snapchat story or whom you want to hide from viewing your story. If you choose the person and tap on block, they won't be able to view your story anymore. This is how you can hide your Snapchat story to someone. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to hide Snapchat story. Thank you.